Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to get Twitter followers. So if we went right here to this article and just let's search for it, I'm going to just click on it right here. In a nutshell, what you're going to do first, you will need to customize your profile. Make sure you have complete profile with your full name or company one, and just handle the way that fits your brand. And then create a keyword friendly bio that includes a link to your website and a personal photo or company logo. To make sure your page stands out, customize the color scheme and use a header image to match your brand. The second thing to get Twitter followers is to promote yourself on other platforms. Share your handle with friends and customers using different social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Go beyond social to announce it in a newsletter, right? Put it in a business cards, advertisements, and marketing materials, and then embed it on your website. And the third thing, keep an eye on your competitors and check out how many people or followers they have and who they are and how often they tweet and what they are tweeting about. What does their profile look like? How do they respond to their competitors or customers? And what type of content do they post that gets the most attention? Follow them and retweet their content to get on their radar. And this step is equally important for people who wish to know how to increase Twitter followers. And the fourth thing or the fifth thing is to find followers in influencers. The general rule of thumb is that if you follow someone on Twitter, they will likely follow you back. Leverage the who to follow feature to find popular feeds and upload your email contacts to Twitter to find people you already know. Find and follow influencers in your industry, and if you are in the food industry, for instance, find the follow famous chefs and all that, and stay engaged and active. This is the most important step in getting your Twitter followers or even your social media followers, which is to be engaged and stay active. And engaging with the user is a surefire way to gain exposure and a more substantial following. Tweet regularly, reply to users who have mentioned or contacted you for customer support, like and retweet others' posts, and add your comments regularly without being too excessive, okay? And when appropriate, suggest other Twitter users by including their handle, and consider using tweet chats to interact in real time with followers who have similar interests. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.